Welcome to English Grammar Adventure. What is sentence? A sentence is a group of words that tells a complete idea. It always starts with a capital letter and ends with a period, symbol, question mark,
Animate
or
a voice.
exclamation mark. A sentence must have a subject, who, or what the sentence is about, a verb, what
Animate
the
a
subject
voice.
is doing. Keycap 10 easy sentence examples for kids. Number 1 is, I like apples. Number 2 is, the cat is sleeping.
Animate a voice.
Number 3 is, she runs fast. Number 4 is, we play outside. Number 5 is, the sun is
Animate
hot.
a voice.
And number 6 is, it is raining. Number 7 is, he eats a banana. Number 8 is, they are happy.
Animate a voice.
Number 9 is, where's my toy? Number 10 is, wow, that's cool.